Independent Client Customer Groce. This is a follow-up video. There will likely be 2 more trips to be able to complete everything. We are currently waiting on the countertops to be installed. I'm going to go over today what all we did, and then what's going to be needed as far as parts. Let's do the parts first. That seems to be what everybody looks at the videos for. Basically, we replaced that door, these 2 shelves that were in here, all of these slides, those slides there, adjusted this one, put a new door on it, put this cabinet in. This cabinet was missing. Slides here, slides there on those, and that brings me to what's needed to fix the pantry. So if you take a look in the pantry, these are the DTC slides that you see here, and these are the grass slides that were sent for replacement. But if you look, they are the same length, okay, but they are not interchangeable to the mount. The mount on the back here, the back brackets, they do not work with these grass slides. So this slide is right at 10 inches. Let me give you a quick measurement on that. Slides are right at 10 inches long, okay? And so we need the accompanying piece that slides in the back of this that goes in these holes that mount this to the wall. Now, this DTC slide that you see here, if you look, there's quite a bit of wiggle. I pull it out here. There is quite a bit of wiggle to it. What's mostly is this one. Look here. This one has so much motion to it that it just does not pull up. If I show you that back here, you can see how much motion that particular slide has. So it's not lining up on the fronts here at all. I mean, that's ½ an inch from the others, and it's just again, it's where there's not a lot of material tightness to it. So there's not enough of these grass slides as well. You only have 3 sets of slides. There's 2 sets of actual cabinets. So you're going to need 3 more sets or 6 more slides, which is the right and left hand versions of this one for the right hand side. And you're going to need 6 sets of blocks, rights and left hands. It's going to be 12 of these blocks that go in the back. Now, one other thing today that we were doing, we were looking at putting these overlay fillers. Put those back in. Put these overlay fillers in. So normally we would order like a 6-inch overlay filler and a 3, like this is a 3 here, and we would cut this to the margin here that you have between the doors so that you don't have, it's like 3/8 of an inch, so you don't have a big difference in the 2 sides. This space right here, if I'm not mistaken, was like 5 and something, 5 and change, yeah, 5.5. So that's about the same on both sides. So again, we would take the filler overlays, lay them flat, and cut a 45 on them, 3/8 of an inch less than this measurement. Whatever this measurement is, minus 3/8 is the long point of that 45. This measurement, minus 3/8. And then we would miter them together in the corner and put them in as a piece so that these doors look continuous. You know, this is the 3/8 gap that I'm talking about. Same thing over here. We would need 1 more 6-inch filler overlay. We have the 3, so that would be something we would need. Down here in the bottom, I have 2 drawer fronts. Now, if you look, these drawer fronts line up with each other. I mean, they are pretty good as far as alignment. So we'll do those next time. Put a piece of blue tape on the ones that you want me to address. Whichever one of these needs to be replaced, put a piece of blue tape on them so that I know which one to deal with on those. Baseboards in here, all those are done. I went ahead and finished in here where you had a little gap. Back here, finished that in as well. Over here on this side. And then here, just going to need a good cleaning after everything is done. Now in the kitchen area, what we did today is we replaced this door. We replaced these shelves, these slides, those slides there. We fixed this cabinet. I think the slide was off. We had to fix it and then put a new drawer front on front of it. We hung the hood above, put all the moldings around the hood, and attached it finally to this. Okay. And then we added this base 12. It was not here. We are short one handle or one knob. I took it off that cabinet up there so that it could be easy enough to put it on this one. These slides were replaced. These were fine. These slides were replaced with the grass slides. On the island, we actually put in the Big Overlay Filler 3 here, and that looks really nice having that finished out to the front. What are we needing? We're needing some toe kick or baseboard to go on the bottom. And that, again, that might be materials that we order. It might be some stuff that we get from leftovers. We might have to take some of our leftovers and cut it off. We do not have any quarter round here, though. All right. And as far as that goes, quarter round is in the rest of the house. The house has it. So having it in front of this area or in front of this area here, that or baseboard, you can see there's still gaps in the floor there where quarter round would look nice to have that finish out. All right, if you have any questions about anything, oh, we put these moldings on today too. These little flat strips on both sides to hide the seam where the cabinet only comes in 36, and we have to put the 1/2-inch fillers on both sides to give plenty of room for it to breathe. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to give me a call, 423-650-1051. We added a return to the end of that one. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Have a great day.